In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports with the custom report builder in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to improve your reporting, this guide will walk you through each step to create a custom report tailored to your needs. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and type in HubSpot to find the homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. Remember to have your login credentials handy so you can easily get past the sign-in page and into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home interface. Now focus your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the reporting option. Go ahead and click on reporting. This will take you to the reporting dashboard, which is the central hub for all your data insights. In the reporting dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Reports. Clicking on this will open a new view that contains all your past reports and various options for creating new ones. The heart of your customization journey begins here. Look for and click on Create Report. Now you're entering the creative phase of building a report that really works for your specific needs. Next, you'll be prompted with several report building options. Since we want a tailor-made solution, click on Custom Report Builder. This allows you to select what data to use, giving you flexibility and control over what the final report will showcase. The page will guide you on selecting data sources, which is crucial for ensuring that your report contains the relevant information you need. Now, as you make your selections on which data to include, you'll see options to add your data. This could be anything from customer activities, sales figures, to marketing benchmarks, depending on what you need the report to demonstrate. Once you have organized your data inputs to your satisfaction, you simply click Next. This will move you forward in the building process where you can make final tweaks before saving it. To complete your custom report setup, all that's left is one crucial step. Click on Save Report. This stores your custom creation in the system, allowing you to access it whenever necessary. Make sure everything is accurate before saving, as this report will be fundamental for analyzing your business operations. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through creating a custom report in HubSpot. With this skill under your belt, you will be able to present nuanced data that can inform your business decisions effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more HubSpot tips and tricks. Happy reporting!